Guess what time is it? I'm at 2 time and I'm innocent. Sweet God, if you murder, bro, you're still playing. Oh my, why? I know it's you. I know. I hate you because you murder. No, it's you. See, you have a knife. Still another opening my cat. My first heart is gonna break off the knife. I was like, baby, that girl over there standing. Oh, she's there. You're dead. Oh! Let me go!
Yan, ayaw mo.
Fuck you. Good. Murder. Oh, Lewa. You are Slay?
Meron daw siyang kapatid, di ba?
Okay, then Slay. Slay on your ban.
Tahimik lang eh.
Block.
Meron na palang ano.
Bye guys. But if ever I died, I leave the game. Okay, bye.